Travis from T-Rizzle Studios. How the heck are you guys? Alongside Jazzy and
Invisible Man.
Invisible Girl. Not sleeping in the bed. This isn't Ghostbusters. This is Munchpak. How the heck are you guys?
Invisible Man says hi.
Okay. Well, let's get started.
It was actually.
Love Munchpak.
Every year you come with a checklist.
Ooh, enter to win 3-month subscription.
You get 3 boxes.
Take pictures, share on social media, use hashtag Munchpak. New winners announced on 25th each month.
This is probably our best lunch pack we ever have. But no pumpkin.
Every month you get a book featuring everything that's in the Munchpak.
Oh yeah. Oh baby.
Oh, Molly. Oh, that's that good.
I see Pikachu.
That's not Pikachu.
It's Pikachu. You guys are gonna see it in a little bit. We'll save that for last. Let's start off with everybody knows this brand, Cheetos.
What is Cheetos? But it's different.
It is different. Pelly something.
What did you even give us?
Sabor.
Right there. Like I said, every year you get a checklist.
Every month.
Yeah, whatever.
Where is it from, anyways? Spain. All right, cool. It looks like an alien egg. Yeah, it tastes more like a cereal rather than a chip.
So when you first put it in your mouth, it tastes like a cereal. But when you start to swallow it, it tastes like cheesy.
It tastes like a cheesy Cocoa Puff.
Okay, what next?
What we got next?
I'll go get that.
Let's do that for last.
It's Pikachu.
No, we're gonna say Pikachu for last.
Okay. Do this one. Let's do Laffy Taffy.
Oh God, Laffy Taffy, really Munchpak.
Lunchpak, you made the best stuff ever. You're the best guys, whoever you guys and girls are. You make the best Lunchpak ever.
Abazaba mystery flavor. Chewy, tangy, and totally mouth-watering. Abazaba is back at it again with new mystery flavor.
Smells like coconut.
Made in America. Got it.
Like Titi don't like Titi.
It looks like an airhead.
I don't like it. It's weird.
I think it's kind of cute when it's cheesy in the end.
Not so good.
Where is that thing? Oh, now we're talking about what? Discussion. Look at it. Ew. It looks like gum, by the way. Ew. I know it's disgusting, right?
What taste?
I'm not sure.
Ew,
It might taste like a lemony, like a minty. I can't really tell. All right. I'm not sure on that one. I'm really not sure on that one.
We got
Pretzels. That's always a good choice. Let me see.
we got pizza, Takis, whatever it calls.
Fish soap.
Gilco Press pizza
white
flavor
fish.
What is that?
from Thailand.
And the Oreo too. Look at soft with Oreo. No one likes that one so far. I think I like these ones.
Those are okay. Not sure about the mystery flavor Laffy Taffy.
Tastes like fish.
Go stick.
Pretzel.
I don't think you really do like it. Why do I have to?
It smells good.
Ooh, smells.
Mix up.
It smells
It smells like, you know the way you do hamburger? It smells like that for me.
That's good.
More hamburger.
That's really good. It's breeding munchies. My wife is trying to kill me with sweets.
Comment down below if you want this man.
No. Comment below if you want a kid or a wife for Christmas.
Comment
Spicy. I have pepper.
Let's see. What?
Comment down below if you want.
God, that is a pepper. Sabor de menta. Oh, God, don't say de menta. That sounds scary.
Oh my god. Try.
Why do you do this to me, Munchpak?
Daddy,
Okay, it's from Brazil.
it's all pepper.
These pillow-shaped snacks bring the perfect pepper flavor. They're not too spicy and have just the right amount of seasoning to make you feel
Eat it.
Um,
Eat it. Eat it. Eat one.
whoa, it tastes like eating a pepper.
Eat it. Wait.
Let's see, try one.
I need one.
That tastes like eating a real pet. We have a mess going on here.
Let's see.
Ah!
Are you okay? Let's see what it is.
It tastes like a pepper, like eating a pepper.
No, it doesn't taste like. It doesn't
Peter
taste.
Piper picked a pickle.
It doesn't taste spicy. It doesn't taste spicy at all, and it tastes fine.
All right, do the next one. What's the next one?
They don't taste spicy. I don't know how my dad thinks it's spicy.
It's not spicy, but it tastes like a real pepper. Can you grab the one more?
I hate pepper.
Yeah, I'm not crazy. It's not terrible.
It's good.
Maybe it's the Mexican to like that.
Yeah, she's a Mexican.
I am
Half
thirsty.
Mexican to half American.
Whoa, hang on. What flavor do we got here? Hang on. 7 days. I've had this brand many times here on Munchpak.
That's some
We've
bad-
got
This isn't from
peanut butter
Munchpak.
cream
I'm kidding.
and chocolate flavor.
This is from Munchpak.
Let me see.
From Bulgaria. Please share.
I'll give this one a winner.
It's a
Look
soft
at the
for the
texture
mouth.
of it. Oh my God, Sony, I love this camera.
I'm sorry, guys. We didn't get any what's it called? Footage last time. So sorry for that.
Why
Right?
you gonna give footage?
This camera was dead, and then also my dad had an old camera.
All right, grab another one. Where'd the pamphlet go?
Oh, what is this thing?
What do we got next?
I think it's green pickle taffy.
Oh God, don't say pickle. Extra. Oh, we got even worse.
What?
Munchpak.
Thanks, Lunchpak, for ruining my dad. Go sit over there.
Extreme Chewits Sour Apple Chews. Warning: don't bite off more than you can chew. That sounds dangerous.
Yeah, guys.
Munchpak, are you kidding me? Where's it from? Chewits. It's called Chewits. United Kingdom. The United Kingdom is out to get us. The United Kingdom is out to get us with dangerously sour sweets.
Like they smell like pickle a little bit.
It's sour apple. Now, I'm not one for sour apple, so I will highly regret this one.
Okay, so how do it work?
My dad gets the biggest one.
Thanks.
I get the small.
I get the biggest one.
That's good.
It's sour apple.
Well, Mexican
And
is.
I get the next very big one.
Okay, it doesn't smell bad.
Ow.
I have to.
It's not bad.
Yeah, but
Not bad.
Okay. I've had worse. That's actually not
Pack. You are the best. Thank you. Laffy Taffy is probably the best thing ever.
Okay.
Yeah. This
Good.
is a good Laffy Taffy, but that.
Alright, what do we got next?
Graham cracker.
Graham cracker.
Yeah.
Hang on, you're going way too fast. Let me open some things too. Oreos! Let me see the thing.
You can at least crack.
Amore! Rochester Amore chocolate from Brazil. This is
I want some.
Please let me taste the cracker.
Oh, and there's chocolate in it. And the taste take away.
Oh,
Whoa.
not bad. Maybe let's get it perfect.
It tastes kind of like an Oreo, but a little more dried out. I'm not sure if that's pretty. Okay, next we got Bento Millions.
I like the Oreo. Because
Not bad.
that's just weird.
Alright, this is from United Kingdom again.
Stuff I like.
Oh my goodness. I said before that this felt like a light box.
He's the worst on the box to me. Pour it out though.
Oh cool, it looks like nerds.
That's a good one.
The Chinese candy.
No, not that one yet.
What's it?
That one for last.
No, Pikachu's for last.
What's these?
They look like tiny purple cereals.
Jack and the Beanstalk.
I thought these were gonna be hard. Like suck up. I thought these were gonna
What
be.
is happening?
I don't know what's happening. We're gonna right now.
Everything right.
That was weird. It started out chewy,
I'm gonna give this to my
and then
mom.
it just kind of combined into one.
Better than nothing, huh?
Not bad.
Not bad. Choking me.
Look at that. There's not a word in English. That's amazing. It's just for last. Show us the camera. Pikachu's for last. Alright, Faruta Pokemon Cookie. Snack like a true Pokemon master with these adorable Pokemon-themed double chocolate chip cookies. Oh, they're soft, big, melt in your mouth, and super tasty. From Japan, of course. And Pokemon makes sense. Anime.
You want it in the bag.
They're individually wrapped?
One. What?
Oh, I want Pikachu.
That's your mommy?
I already have one for my mom.
Oh, Pikachu. Pikachu.
That's for mama.
I didn't even start having one. No, Uncle. The camera didn't open it because of the floppy thing.
Now, dude, look at the presentation of that.
gonna drop these. Oh. Well, then come here and carry it up here.
That's cool. Look.
Here's some of these chili.
Not bad. All right. What's the last?
This. You want these?
Pachi Pachi
You
Panic.
want these?
Cola
Here,
flavor.
Jasmine. Here, Mama.
Also from Japan. This exciting candy mixes sweet and sour with a fizzy feeling. I like fizzy feelings. The sour Ramuan flavor pairs perfectly with sweet cola candies and begin to pop as soon as they touch your tongue.
Do a bug.
So they're like pop rocks. No wonder why she wanted to save those for last.
There's some popcorn. These are the special popcorn.
Wow. Cool.
Little creepy.
Ow.
Oh yeah. No, damn, don't stop anyway.
Oh, guys, guess what? Last time in our other video, you know that marshmallow guy? He broke. Talk to this guy.
We're not gonna discuss that on camera.
He broke one of the things from the other unboxing video.
It might be my favorite thing in the
Oh,
box.
and these things too. You remember these things? They're all extra.
All right. Bit of a long and all over the place Munchpak, but successful nonetheless. Very happy.
Munchpak, give us another one like tomorrow.
It's not gonna be tomorrow.
Please, Munchpak. He's really good. Oh, guys. You guys. Hey, guys. Just go to his channel and watch our old videos that we did from Munchpak.
If you guys are curious about having your own Munchpak, I will link it right below. Hope you guys enjoy. And guys, we'll see you
Luke.
in a couple of weeks for Duluth. That's right.
We're going to the cabin like soon.
Very soon. Guys,
I can't do my homework today.
we'll see you guys soon.